The term Talking Tom glitch typically refers to unusual occurrences or errors within the Talking Tom games, often manifesting as visual bugs, unexpected behavior, or crashes. These glitches aren't intentionally created by the developers but rather are unintentional side effects of the game's code or interactions with the player's device. Here's a breakdown of why these glitches occur and how they might manifest. 1. Accidental code errors. 1. Incomplete code or logic. Glitches can arise from simple coding mistakes where a variable isn't initialized, a condition isn't properly checked, or a calculation is incorrect. 2. Interaction with hardware, software. The game might behave differently on different devices or operating systems, leading to unexpected outcomes. And 3. Memory management issues. If the game doesn't properly manage memory, it might overwrite or corrupt data, leading to crashes or visual glitches. 2. Specific examples of glitches. T-posing. Tom or other characters might freeze in a T-shaped pose, arms outstretched, legs together, often seen during level-up screens or other transitions. Description text, bug. In some cases, the level up or other text elements might be replaced with description text due to errors in text rendering. Unusual sound effects or animation loops. Glitches can cause incorrect sound effects to play, or characters to loop through animations incorrectly. Crashes. More severe errors can cause the game to freeze or shut down unexpectedly. Name-related glitches. In some cases, changing Tom's name to certain specific numbers or strings can trigger unusual behaviors, like distorted sounds or visual glitches. 3. How players might trigger glitches. 1. Name changes. Some players have reported that changing Tom's name to specific values, e.g., 1199, 11200, can trigger specific visual or audio glitches. 2. Specific actions. Certain actions within the game, like rapidly switching between screens or triggering specific events, might expose underlying bugs. And 3. Accidental interactions. Sometimes, simply playing the game normally might expose a glitch that the developers didn't anticipate. In summary, Talking Tom glitches are not deliberate features, but rather unintended errors or bugs that occur in the game. They arise from various factors, including coding mistakes, hardware, software interactions, and unexpected player actions.